Now see, let us take a question from step deviation method. So the data is given over here. Let's see how to solve it. So first we will write marks, number of students. First let us enter this data. Then we will move on to the next columns. So marks is 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. And in number of students, you have 6, 5, 8, 15, 7, 6, 3. So whenever 0 to 10, 10 to 20 like this range is given, that is called class interval. And number of something is given, that is always Fi. Now we need to find out Xi. So find the mid values to get Xi. So 0 and 10 mid value is 5. 10 and 20 mid value is 15. 20 and 30 mid value is 25. Like that you get 35, 45, 55, 65. After getting mid values, we will find out deviation, that is di. Di is xi minus a by h. Now here 0 to 10, 10 to 20, in each class interval you have 10 numbers. So h is equal to 10. H means class size. Now from this xi, we will take the middlemost as a. So 35 we will take it as a. A is assumed mean. Now to find out di, we need to do xi minus a first. So xi is 5. 5 minus 35 is minus 30. Minus 30 divided by 10 is minus 3. Then next, 15 minus 35 is minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. 25 minus 35 is minus 10. Minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1. Like that you will get 0, 1, 2, 3. You will get in order. After finding di, we will find fi di. Fi means second column and the fourth column we need to multiply. So 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. 15 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 3 is 9. First, we need to add number of students. That is frequency column, always you should add first. So if you add these all, you will get 50. This is sigma Fi. Now we need to add FIDI column. So first you add positive numbers. So 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. Now we need to add the negative numbers. Add and keep minus sign. So minus 36. So what is 28 minus 36? It is minus 8. So this is sigma FIDI. We got sigma FIDI as minus 8. Now after FIDI, we need to find mod xi minus x bar. And then the last column is fi mod xi minus x bar. Now to find these two columns, we need to find out x bar first. So first let us see how to find out x bar. X bar means mean. You need to find out mean. Mean is denoted by x bar. For step deviation method, mean formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. So a is 35 plus sigma fi di is minus 8 by sigma fi is 50 into 10. 0, 0 cancel. 35 plus into minus is minus. 8 divided by 5. How to do 8 divided by 5? 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Take a point, so you can take a 0 here. Now 5 6 are 30. So you got 35 minus 1.6. Now from 35 you have to subtract 1.6. So let's see how do we subtract them. 35 can be written as 35.0 and 1.6. 0 minus 6 is not possible, so we borrow. 0 becomes 10, 5 becomes 4. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Then 34 minus 1 is 33. So you got 33.4. This is the mean. Mean is 33.4. Coming back to the question, now xi from each xi you have to subtract mean. So first in the first row you see xi is 5. What is 5 minus 33.4? So 33.4 minus 5 we are doing. So that is you have 5 minus 33.4. Okay, if 33.4 is greater, so we are writing 33.4 up and 5 means 5.0. 4 minus 0 is 4. 33 minus 5 is 28. So this is 28.4. You will get negative 28.4, but because you have modulus, we get plus 28.4. Now don't do for each and everything. In the next one, you minus 10. You subtract 10. So 28 minus 10 is 18. So you'll get 18.4. Next, again subtract 10. 8.4. Now after you get 8.4, again if you subtract 10, you will get a negative number. So stop till here. Now xi is 35. 35 minus 33.4 again you have to do. 35 means 35.0 minus 33.4. Again you have to borrow. 0 becomes 10, 5 becomes 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. So you got 1.6 here. After getting 1.6, here you have to keep adding 10, 10, 10, 10. So 1.6 plus 10 is 11.6. Then plus 10 is 21.6. Then plus 10 is 31.6. So did you understand the trick how to do this? Now we have to multiply Fi column with the last column. Over here you have to do it carefully because you have decimals. And for each one of them you have to multiply. Okay, but do it carefully. So 28.4 into 6. Now see how to multiply it. 28.4 into 6. So 6 fours are 24. 0.68 are 48 plus 2 is 50. Then 6 twos are 12 plus 5 is 17. So the first one is 170.4. Then next you have to multiply 5 with 18.4. So 18.4 into 5. 5 fours are 20. Point. So we keep a point here. 5 eights are 40 plus 2 is 42. Then 5 ones are 5 plus 4 is 92. 92.0 can also be written as 92, but let us write 92.0 only, so that addition will be easier. Now you place the digits one below the other correctly. Otherwise your addition will go wrong. Now the next is 8 into 8.4. So 8.4 into 8. 8 fours are 32. 0.88 is 64 plus 3, 67. So this is 67.2. Now 15 into 1.6. So when you have two digits, we don't do normally like how we have done just now. Without decimal, we will multiply. Actually, you have to do 15 into 1.6. Okay. So now you multiply this. 6 fives are 30. 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. Then 5 and 1, 0. 24. Now here after decimal you have one digit. So here before decimal we will put 1 point. This is the way of multiplying decimals. Understood? Whenever you have two digits, directly we don't multiply like how we have done in the last ones. We will without decimal we will multiply first. 15 into 16 is 240. Before one digit we will put 1 point. Because here after decimal you have 1 point. So the answer is 24.0. Now 7 into 11.6. Again you can do directly. 11.6 into 7. 7 6 are 42. 7 ones are 7. Plus 4 is 11. Then 7 ones are 7. plus 1 is 81.2. Then next is 6 into 21.6. So 21.6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 0.61 are 6 plus 3 9. 6 2s are 12. 129.6. Then 3 into 31.6. So 31.6 into 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. So this is 94.8. So you understood how to multiply the decimal numbers. Now we have to add this last column. So if you add this last column, you will get 659.2. Normal addition, how do we do? The same way you have to do the addition. Okay, so this is sigma fi mod xi minus x bar. Now we need to find mean deviation about mean. So mean deviation about mean, what is the formula? Sigma fi mod xi minus x bar by n. So sigma fi mod xi minus x bar is 659.2 divided by n is 50. N or sigma fi, anything is one and the same. Now how to solve this? Remove the decimal and put a 0. So this will become 6592 divided by 500. Now we will do the division. 6592 divided by 500. 500 ones are 500. Subtract, you will get 159. Take 2 down. You will get 2. Now 500 threes are 1500. Now 92. Take a point and we can take a 0. 500 ones are 500. If you subtract, you get 420. There is a point, we can take one more 0. So 8s are 4000. You can stop here. After two decimal points, you can stop. That is 13.18. This is the final answer. Now, take the next question. Find the mean deviation about the mean. A data is given to us. So first we will write sales. One column. And the next column is number of students. First let us enter sales and number of students data. And then we will move on to the next columns. So this is 40 to 50. 50 to 60. 60 to 70. 70 to 80. 80 to 90, 90 to 100. Number of students is 5, 15, 25, 30, 20 and 5. This is class interval. Whenever upper limit and lower limit will be given, that is called as class interval. And number of something whenever is given, that is taken as Fi. Now, whenever class interval is given, we need to find out mid values. Mid values is xi. So what is mid value of 40 and 50? 45. 50 and 60 mid value is 55. Same way 65, 75, 85, 95 you get. Now if we do by step deviation method, we get numbers, small numbers, and it will be easy to calculate. So we will take step deviation xi minus a by h. Now here the middlemost numbers are, there are two middlemost numbers. So any one of them you can take as A. So let us take this as A, 65 as A. So 45 minus 65 is minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. Now once you get the first number, you can write everything in order. Minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. H is equal to 10 over here because 40 to 50, 50 to 60, there are 10 numbers in each class interval. After DI, we will do FIDI. So FIDI is multiply 5 into minus 2 minus 10, 15 into minus 1 minus 15, 25 into 0 is 0, 30 into 1 is 30, 20 into 2 is 40, 5 into 3 is 15. Let us add FIDI and FI. If you add Fi, you will get 100. This is sigma Fi. And if you add Fi di, now if we add all positive numbers, we get 85. Minus if you add negative numbers, you get 25. So that is 60. So sigma Fi di is equal to 60. After getting Fi di, we will do mod xi minus x bar. And the last column is Fi mod xi minus x bar. So before doing these two columns, we need to find what is xi, x bar. So x bar is mean. We need to find out what is mean. So mean is denoted by xi. In step deviation method, its value is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. A we have taken 65. Now sigma fi di is 60 by 100 into 10. Two zeros cancel. 65 plus 6 is 71. So you got mean as 71. Now from each xi, we subtract 71. What is 45 minus 71? Let us do 45 minus 71. So 71 minus 45 we will do. Borrow. 1 becomes 11, 7 becomes 6. 11 minus 5 is 6. This is 26. So we get 26 here. Because you have modulus, we don't take negative. So everything is positive here. Now you reduce 10, you will get 16. Again reduce 10, you will get 6. Now 75 minus 71 is 4. Now we have to increase 10, 10. Plus 10 is 14, then plus 10 is 24. Now we need to multiply Fi and the last column. So what is 26 into 5? 130. What is 15 into 16? 240. 25 into 6? 150. 30 into 4? 120. 14 into 20? 280. 24 into 5? 120. So if I add these all, we will get 0. This is 10, 17, 24. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1040. So you got sigma Fi mod xi minus x bar as 1040. So now directly we can find mean deviation about mean. We will write the formula first. Sigma Fi mod xi minus x bar by n. So that is 1040 by 100, which is equal to 10.40. Or approximately you can write this as 10.4.